Dovizioso second.
Going to fly past Alex Rins on the Suzuki. Quartararo then with 3/4 of a second in his back pocket already.
Marquez down the hill into turn number 4. Rossi's on the charge. He started 10.
Crutchlow, he's gone down and he's holding his hand. And there is Polis.
He's under pressure from Marquez. Rossi has made a great progress. Up 5 places from 10th to 5th. Rins.
Quartararo flying.
Rins keeps making mistakes. In fact, Vinales all over him. Here comes Marquez.
He's charging through, but he's gone deep.
Jack Miller was briefly side by side. Marquez and Dovizioso. Did they all?
Of them were giving that one up, and it's cost them dearly. And that means now we have been such a start. And now Rins goes up the inside of Marquez. Oh, and Duffy's up the inside as well.
Heart-stopping Stein away up the inside and Miller into turn 6. He does, because Miller had a big moment on the front end. Left it
here. And this is as far back as he's been in a long, long time. Dovey up the inside of Miller there. He's up into third.
Marquez drive. Dovizioso power.